Yo, guys, one day, right now I'm broke, but one day I'm gonna be successful. You know, no cap. I'm gonna be successful one day. So,
We ain't gon' stop at the trippin'. In the job top, here we livin'. In the job top, here we sippin'. Body high, got me whippin'. In the car, yeah, I dash. I ain't life worth a bag. I ain't life worth a bag. 20 deposits, 2020, yeah, we running through options. Smoking kush, use caution. Jordan 10s, yeah, I'm rockin'. Swag drippin', yeah, I got it. Little bang, roll, got it. Little king, nigga, stop it. Cold black in the closet. Keto shoot with the rocket.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel of Finance Man. I already know it's your boy, let's say the EGO. So basically, guys, on today's video, man, I'm just gonna do a market breakdown on NAS100, US30, and also GER30. So basically, it's just gonna be indices for the day, right? So before we get any further into the video, guys, please do me and yourself a favor by hitting that subscribe button and obviously turning on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. So yeah, man, let's just jump into it, guys. I'm currently looking at NAS100, right? And what I want to do is just start the market from the weekly time frame, guys. The reason for this is because I just want to see how price was performing the previous week so we can know what to do for this week, right? So looking at price like the previous week, guys, we can see that, okay, here, guys, price like I explained in the Zoom session I had with my students, guys, price gave us this double top, right? Price just gave us this double top, and obviously I anticipated price to just move all the way to the downside, breaking this neckline. And you can see like last week, guys, price literally just broke the neckline, right? And you can see like the momentum towards the downside is too heavy for us to ignore, right? So that's one thing of which I'm able to see like on the weekly time frame. So moving on to the daily time frame, guys, on the daily time frame, I just want to see what type of market structure I'm currently in, right? And if I can just try to connect the trend lines, guys, I can see that here we had an uptrend structure, guys. We had a potential uptrend structure, hence you can see like we had our first touch, second touch, third touch. Price gave us a breakout here, retest, and it's been selling ever since. So possibly, guys, we are inside a downtrend structure on NAS100. And another thing of which I'm able to see is that, okay, here price broke the support level, right? Price broke the support level, and our current candlestick is probably just retesting the support level after the breakout, right? So that's one thing of which I was able to capture like from the daily time frame. So moving on to the 4-hour time frame, guys, on the 4-hour time frame, wow, what I can be able to see is actually lovely, because you can see now price is presenting us with a dodgy candlestick, guys. This is a reversal, this is an indecisive candlestick, but usually when you have like bearish dodgy candlestick, it usually just favors the sellers and just moves towards the downside, right? So not that we confirming trades like yet on the 4-hour time frame. We still gotta go deeper, guys, just to confirm further, guys. And looking at price right now, I'm currently on the 1-hour time frame. Looking at price on the 1-hour time frame, guys, what I can be able to see is that, okay, here we have some sort of a market structure, right? We have some sort of a market structure. Price gave us a first touch here, gave us a second touch here, and this is a third touch, right? And now you can see like on the retest here, guys, we had a nice bearish engulfing candlestick, but now price seems to be rejecting, guys. Like price opened and it melted, but now it seems to be rejecting, right? So we're gonna have to go on the 15-minute time frame with this one, guys, just to see if we can identify any patterns. So what I can see on the 15-minute time frame, guys, that here we have ourselves some sort of a double top. This is a double top pattern, guys. We have ourselves some sort of a double top, and if I just try to connect things here, you can see that here we had this nice uptrend structure of which price broke, right? And yeah, I mean, seeing this, guys, I am quite confident that NAS100 still has to give us those sells, at least up until here, right? I am quite confident that NAS100 still has to give us these sells all the way to the downside. So yeah, man, this is my take on NAS100, guys. Just let me know what you think about this in the comment section, guys. Price, if this doesn't happen, guys, price can just either shoot up to the trend line and give us a fourth touch before actually giving us those sells. But then looking at price like current market, guys, I can see that now, man, NAS100 is actually gonna drop, right? We still have room for sales. So yeah, man, this is what I was able to see. So right now I'm just gonna currently jump on US30, guys, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did, guys, jumping onto the weekly time frame. So jumping onto the weekly time frame on US30, guys, you can see that okay, price last week, guys, the sellers tried to push market towards the downside, but the buyers ended up kicking in, right? The buyers rejected those sells and obviously pushed the market up, and you can see we have a nice dodgy candlestick, and this dodgy candlestick, it's a bullish dodgy candlestick, guys. So yeah, man, looking at this like weekly time frame, hey, I'm not quite confident that price might actually just buy, right, because of this. Because if we look at the previous candles, guys, you can see like the momentum is pretty quite heavy, so we can actually just take this as maybe some sort of an impulse, and price is now maybe just retesting, you know, like giving us a correction before impulsing again. So that's one thing of which I'm able to see like on US30, right? So jumping onto the daily time frame, guys, on the daily time frame, what I can be able to see is that yeah, you see, guys, like yo, the buyers rejected these sells, right? You can see like price tapped on this support level. We had this nice support level, price tapped on it and obviously rejected from there. Now I'm not saying that price is gonna buy or anything like that, guys. I just want us to look at this, guys. I just want us to look at this. You can see that here, guys, we had an impulse, price corrected, then gave us an impulse. Now we might be inside a correction before price actually giving us an impulse, maybe even to break this level, because guys, before price breaks a level, it obviously has to get some strength, right, before it can actually break a level. And what I can be able to see again, guys, is that here we have this level, guys. We have this this resistance level. You can see like price broke this resistance level, and this might actually be a retest, guys, of this level. But then yeah, man, another thing of which I want to see is market structure, guys. What is price telling us? Okay, market structure speaking, guys, I wouldn't say there's anything much on daily time frame, so I'm just gonna go on the 4-hour time frame just to identify my market structure, guys. And moving on to the 4-hour time frame, guys, if I can just try to connect trend lines, maybe from here, moving on to the downside, guys, we can see that we have a nice downtrend structure, guys. Obviously having our first touch right over here, having our second touch right over here, and this can be our possible third touch. And obviously we have to wait for some sort of like confirmation before we can actually enter these trades. But then we already have like 2 confirmation. The first confirmation is that we have a third touch on this resisting trend line. The second confirmation is that obviously price now is retesting this resistance level, of which was support, right? And yeah, man, there's something of which we can be able to see and work with, guys. And yeah, man, let me just jump onto the 1-hour time frame just to see what's happening on the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, guys, we can see that we have a nice bearish engulfing candlestick. This is a nice bearish engulfing candlestick, but then it's not like trades has not been yet confirmed, right? I wouldn't be comfortable and say because we have a bearish engulfing candlestick we can enter these trades, because like, guys, in order for me to take trades, actually I'd be more comfortable waiting for the 4-hour candlestick to close. Maybe if this candlestick gives us a pin bar, then yeah, maybe on the 1-hour time frame this candlestick might have actually just rejected a bit, and yeah, that's when we can catch our entries. But then otherwise, guys, US30 is looking good for sells, guys. I'm not gonna lie, US30 is looking good for sells all the way up until our level right over there. US30 is actually looking good for sells, guys. So yeah, man, this is my take on US30. Let me know what you think, guys, in the comment section, right? So right now I'm just gonna jump on to GER30, guys, our last pair for this market breakdown. And I just want to show you guys, let's start on the weekly time frame like we did with the other pairs. So guys, on the weekly time frame, what I'm able to see is that okay, price obviously has been rejecting here. The reason why it rejected here, guys, because of, you can see we had a nice bearish engulfing candlestick, and obviously after that candlestick, guys, price has just been rejecting. Even here, guys, like last week's candlestick, price went up, right? I can say that price went up, and then it rejected, going all the way to the downside. But then the buyers tried to push the market up. But what we can see is that the sellers are still in control because this candlestick closed bearish, right? So meaning that the sellers, they're still in the market, like they're still in control, right? So jumping onto the daily time frame, guys, obviously on the daily time frame, what I want to do is just identify my market structure, guys. Maybe if I can just drag it from here. Okay, maybe this is too far. Let me just drag it from here. This could work out. Yeah, clean, guys. Clean, guys. You see here, it's nice. We had a breakout, and price can just be currently retesting, guys, on this level. Like price can just be retesting on this level, and this is what I'm able to see, like on the daily time frame. We had this nice breakout, and price is just maybe retesting this level, right? So just to adjust everything, guys, yeah, just like that. You see, guys, like nice breakout, retest. You see this V, this is what I talked about in my previous video, guys. The V pattern, guys, the V pattern that we always have to wait for. And another thing that I can see is that we have this level of sensitivity, guys. I'm just going to show you. Price resisted here. Let's just look at it. Price resisted here, supported here, supported here, supported here, resisted here, resisted here, and price is currently just resisting right now. And yeah, guys, this is something of which we can work with. And another thing of which I'm able to see is that price is giving us some sort of a pin bar candlestick, which is a reversal candlestick to go to the downside, right? And yeah, this is why I'm saying like GER30, guys, it also looks good for sales. So basically all these indices, guys, they look good for sales. So jumping on the 1 hour time frame, just want to see what's happening on the 1 hour time frame, guys. So obviously now, guys, I have to remove this because it's messing up the chart, right? But what I can see is that momentum. Look at this momentum, guys, on the 1 hour time frame. Momentum has already started, like on the 1 hour time frame, right? Obviously on the 4 hour time frame, if price closes the way it closes, we're gonna have that reversal candlestick, and then on the 1 hour time frame, guys, we're gonna have this momentum, of which will confirm everything for us, right? So let me just jump onto the 15-minute time frame, guys, just to see how price is behaving on the 15-minute time frame. So let me see. So looking at price from the 15-minute time frame, guys, what I can be able to see is that it broke the structure. And obviously seeing this, guys, I am anticipating GER30 to also just give us those sells all the way to this level, guys, all the way to this level. I can anticipate GER30 to give us those sells all the way to this level, guys. So yeah, man, this is how I'm looking at these indices for a day, guys. Let me know what you think about these setups that I've just shown you guys. And yeah, man, just let me know what you think about them in the comment section. And don't forget, guys, if you're new to this channel, do me and yourself a favor by hitting that subscribe button and obviously turning on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video, guys. Otherwise, till the next one. Yes, sir.